This is a Samsung Xpress M2070FW, and I want to connect the printer to my computer so that I can print, scan. I don't really fax that much, but I just want to print and scan from it. Looking at the printer, I got it second hand, and all I want to do is to connect it to the Wi-Fi and then set it up on my laptop so that I can directly either print or scan from it. So the first thing that I want to do is to set up the Wi-Fi on this printer here. Alright, so after plugging in the power cable, alright, we can see it says it's ready to copy, but what I want to do is to configure the Wi-Fi first on the printer and then add it on my laptop. Alright, so first thing first, press the menu icon there, then navigate to network. Enter the network settings, and then either under Wi-Fi, let's navigate and look for Wi-Fi. Select that option there, Wi-Fi on and off, leave it on, it should be on. Wi-Fi settings, enter the options, Wi-Fi wizard, and under the wizard click on OK, and then it will search for the list of Wi-Fi that are in the area, and this is my one. Select that, and then it needs the key. So all you have to do is to punch in the Wi-Fi keys of your network. Once that is done, then accept and wait for the connection to be established, for this light here to blink and then become steady. That means it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. Now the rest of the configuration needs to be done on the laptop. All right, so back on the laptop, we need to first go on settings, open settings, and first make sure that your computer is connected to the same network where you connected your printer at. And under printer and scanner over here, we are going to search or add the printer that is already connected to our network. So I'll say add a device, and the machine will scan and check which printer is basically on our network. And already I can see that there's this one here, multifunction printer. So after you click on the Add printer, you'll see that there will be a Samsung M70 series that will appear there because it already has an IP address. It's connected to the network. All you have to do is to click on Add printer. All right, so now that our printer is there, let's try and let's say scan from that printer, because it seems like it was added, but let's try and scan and see if the printer was added correctly. So what I'm going to do, I'll put a piece of paper on the scanner of the printer, and let's try and use even Acrobat to see if it will scan from that printer to see if it will accept. Let's go to scan from scanner, and you can see that the printer itself is already selected. So I'll just say scan, and you'll see that it's trying to connect to the printer. All right, there you can see, and you can hear the noise from the printer, and it's blinking. It means it's scanning. And even on the screen here, you can see that it's scanning from the Samsung M2070 series. The IP address is already there, and it's processing the scan. Yeah, and then the scan document is there. So we have successfully installed the printer on the network. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If this assisted you or helped you, leave a thumbs up, and see you next time.